Using EasyShip to streamline your shipping process involves several key steps. Sign up. Visit the EasyShip website and create an account. Provide the necessary information to get started. Connect your store. Integrate EasyShip with your e-commerce platform through the integration section in your EasyShip dashboard. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Configure shipping settings. Set up your shipping preferences, including your shipping origin, package dimensions, and weight. EasyShip provides options for international shipping, allowing you to manage customs duties and taxes effectively. Select carriers. EasyShip partners with various carriers. Choose the ones that best fit your business needs based on pricing and delivery times. Create shipments. When an order is placed, go to the shipment section in your dashboard. Enter the recipient's details, select the package type, and choose a shipping method. Generate shipping labels. After confirming shipping details, generate and print shipping labels directly from the EasyShip dashboard. Track shipments. Use the tracking feature to monitor your shipments and keep customers updated.